Bonjour, hi! Welcome to this recorded live session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, that's why I put timestamp in the description so you could skip to the part that interests you. Also, if you want exactly when I'm streaming, go visit twitch.tv/fbucheros. But for now, let's watch this session. And the mic. Yay! Hello! Good morning, everyone. Well, good afternoon, good day. Good day! It's Friday! It's Friday! Super excited about the stream today. I'm sorry I missed the stream on Wednesday. I was planning to do it, but I was in Italy. It was super late. I had a huge day, and yeah, I had a lot of issue connecting from the hotel. So that's why. Sorry, just adjusting little things around. Yeah, so that's why I didn't stream. I'm sorry about that. We'll try to find a way to be more consistent with that because I want to be. So it's very important for me to do it. Well, yeah, it's hard sometimes when you travel, time zone, everything. But today we're doing it. Like it is real. So the plan of today. The plan of today is get back in Project Blind 2021, or text-based adventure game. Let me share my screen half and half like that, and I should not maximize my windows so we can see all of them. That's good in here. That's good in here. That's good in here. Okay, so plan of the day. So reading notes, not reading notes. Still a little bit jet lag. I arrived yesterday night, so it's confusing a little bit. So what I want to do today is we had the unit tests. I think a month and a half ago we added unit tests in our project, but we're not running them. So I want to add more unit tests. So maybe we'll work on that today. But what I would like to do is to have the project compile and run the unit tests when we push to dev and master. And I'm wondering, could we trying to be what's the good word? A sweet balance between efficiency and resources responsible, accountable. I don't know how to say that. Like, I don't want to run every time I push, so maybe I should. I'm not even sure like if I could do that, but it will be interesting, I think, let's say in dev to run the unit tests once a night if there's a new build, something like that. Or maybe compile. No, compile I think I want to know right away. And master, like, it should be right away because that's master, right? We want everything to run. So that's the plan of today. Play with the GitHub Action for .NET, compiling unit tests. I don't know if you remember, because it's been a long time, but we did have a very nice interface in Azure DevOps to see the results. So that would be very cool to be able to have some kind of output like that. So yeah, today it's exploring the unit tests, running the unit tests from GitHub Action. I hope you agree that it could be an interesting stream, and if you don't, well, that's the plan of today. So feel free to jump in. I don't have a lot of experience with GitHub Action, so today it's, we'll explore, we learn all together, and we have fun for the next 2 hours. So let's go focus mode. I think it's this one. No, it's this one. Focus time. So we'll remove this. So project of the day is Blind 2021. It's available on GitHub. Why can I not? It is under the name Project Dover because it was called like that initially, but we renamed it Blind 2021. So it's a text-based adventure game. It's running on .NET Core, LTS. What else can I say? The idea is to be able to run it from Visual Studio IDE and Visual Studio Code because I try now temporary. I'm not running in Linux, but a lot of time I'm in Linux, so I want to run in Visual Studio Code. If you're new here, you could do ! commands to have all the available commands. And if you don't know me, it's also very possible because, you know, it may be your first time. I'm Frank Boucher. I'm a cloud advocate, and I'm also part of the live coder on Twitch, and you could go see the live coder as livecoder.net. We are a lot of people. You know, I don't know how many we are. Oh, the dev, sorry, livecoder.dev. And we are what? 112. That's awesome. That's so cool. So plenty of resources, different languages, programmation languages, different speaking languages. There's something for every taste. So, you know, feel free to do a tour. Okay. What do I want to do? Let's start by exploring the action. So if you don't know, in GitHub you could do automatic process. I will zoom a little bit my screen because I think it is small. There it is. I think it's better this way. So GitHub Action are processes that will be triggered on a pull, a new issue, things like that, and you can have some automation in your GitHub repository. For example, you push, you would like to compile, you would like to execute unit tests, you would like to deploy somewhere. It doesn't need to be deploy online. It could be deploy on a machine as long as GitHub has access. Yeah, so when you click in this tab here, Actions, you will land on the GitHub Action and there will have a bunch of templates. So of course, that's my first thing today, as I think you should do, is check if there's already a template, because I'm sure I'm not the first one to say, hey, I would like to run unit tests. So here I see I have a .NET 1, so that could be interesting because it's done for a C# repository. But I would like to have something with unit test. So is there? I thought there were a repository where I could check. Toolkit. I'm sure there's a repository, but where it's not linked here. Interesting. Oh, I have, I have step here. That's cool. See, that's why, like, if you're running a GitHub plan, it's free. It's 20 job concurrent. That shouldn't be a problem for a project. Maximum, okay. Do we have a limits by day or something like that? Upload artifact. Did we use N unit or X unit? I'm not sure anymore. Oh, I shouldn't. So this is the source of the project, and now let's open like the main folder of the project. More over. Cool. So here we are at the root. I'll just move this on the side. No, we don't need it right now. And this is our code. So here we used XUnit. So the project, like, let me, I did move quickly some stuff, so just if you're new, required, blah blah blah, no. So, oh, you know what, let's go in GitHub code. I will explain here. So in our project we have a bunch of files. I need to do some cleanup also, that's part of the problem right now. Oh, so it is already very different. So we are right now in hey! Thanks for the following, codephobia. Oh no, it's raiding! Oh, awesome, with 28! It's party time! Woohoo! Hello! How are you? Thanks for joining! Awesome! How was your stream? What you were streaming about? Welcome everyone! So, CA. Terraform mostly. Oh, the thing I need to learn. I should watch your stream. Damn it. Well, welcome. I'm Frank Boucher. I'm a cloud advocate, and today I'm playing with the GitHub Action because I want to compile and run some unit tests. We have just a little bit unit test in our project. It's a text-based adventure game, though we won't focus on that today. We'll just focus on the fact that is .NET code, and right now we're just getting started, and I'm a little bit jet lagged. I was in Milan in Italy yesterday, and I arrived yesterday evening, and now it's the morning for me, so I'm half there, but I want to code. I'm super happy to stream. And yeah, so the plan of the day is to be able to compile and execute the unit tests when we push on master and dev in GitHub, and maybe we should have on dev something like, hey, you know what, run once a day, nightly, something like that, if and only if something is new. I don't know, like, does it make sense? Just to stay in the free plan. And we're just getting started. So if you have questions, feel free to ask. It is a very friendly channel. So right now, that's what I want to do. X unit. So I'm just looking now if there's a template that exists for GitHub Action, and I thought something already exists, but maybe not. No, that's not what I wanted. Hey, thanks for the following, Carity Smith. Looking forward to see you in the chat. Super happy to have you. So. Whoa. GitHub Action to run unit tests. So here I was, yeah, so that's, I don't want it anyway, because it's in master. I don't want it in master. What should I do? I have too many branches, I think. Project over. So right now I am in refactoring. Maybe I should merge. I should merge in dev at least. I think I will merge in dev, start a new branch from there. Not sure what I should do, because one of my problem is I did try to restructure, you know, refactoring, restructure, moving files. So now master is completely like, it's nothing here. Okay, it's still the same. So yeah, so I should at least update dev and we could work from there. And right now I'm in refact. So see, now it's sources, and when you go in sources you have like the solution, the project, the unit tests. Like it's a little bit more structured. It's definitely not done. The code and the unit tests need to be improved, but there's a better structure. So I think I will merge this to dev. I will create a new one from there and we'll start working. Yeah, so let's migrate this into dev. First, let's just check if I'm up to date. Fetch all, because sometimes I work from my laptop. Okay, everything's looking good. So if you don't know, I'm using right now Git Kraken. I love it. To visualize, drag and drop things, and all those things. If you're interested, I have a referral. It gives you the chance to win
Oh, I think it's an Holocus these days. If you want to know the URL, I think it's bit.ly/fb-getkrakens, or if you just type in the chat !referral, you should have it. There's, you have it, like, it's a free tool. The fact that you use a referral they put your name and they will draw Holocus. Like those are the virtual reality goggles. And yeah, thanks Developer Garage for the host, super nice, thanks. And yeah, if you're interested, and if eventually you go pro, it gives me points, and then with the points I buy stickers, t-shirts and stuff like that. I'm a GitKraken ambassador because I love that tool, and when I do meetups, when I do go to events, I do right now a lot of Ignite the Tour talk. So as I was saying yesterday, like for the full the week that we just finished, I was in Milan. In 2 weeks I will be in Prague, so I go around the clock, and I have some time, I have stickers that I give away, where it is, like this, and I have t-shirts, nice t-shirts. So that's what I do with the points. So I always give back to all of you. And the link, if you type referrals, I think it will whisper, so nobody will know that you asked. What do I want to do? Yeah. Blah blah blah. Yes. Create pull requests. Open on GitHub. Of course, I continue to do the command line use, but when I want to see things, it's always easier. Okay, so that was ducks, contributing, parser. Okay, I think we're good. Whoops. Merge. I want to merge. There's no conflict. Merge. Cool. So now it's better. So now we can do a new branch. We'll call that what? Oh, that's wrong though. Oh yeah, because I need to move. Okay, let's add an issue. See, I'm always mixing them.
What did I call it? Asset or media? Media. Label, that will be, it's a bug in the documentation. It's a good first issue, help wanted, that would be nice if someone wanna do it. I think it's a very, very easy stuff. Should I do easy? What would be a color that is good for AZ? This. Cool. Excellent. Are you still there? Like, fantastic.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay, so now we need a new branch, so let's go in the code. And I should okay, so now we are in dev, so let's pull dev. Excellent. So now let's create a new branch from here, and we'll call it GitHub Action or CI. CI test. That's our branch. Cool. So this is the source. Excellent. That's the one I want. This one is the root. We don't want that right now. I use only that one when I work. So in Visual Studio Code, if you want to compile and have all the developer extension and focus to work, your project needs to be at the root level. But of course, when you are in GitHub, you have a lot of meta and structure and documentation and stuff like that. So at the root, it's not your code that is there a lot of time. So we need to have two different things. Oh, though we need to work on that specific folder, and that's why here I have two color. I know it's dark. I should maybe change it. Let's change it. Because it's dark on dark on dark. Do you use Peacock, people? Can you not? Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, that's good. You know Peacock extension? Peacock extension was created by John Papa, and it's just when you have multiple Visual Studio Code open, what it does, it creates border color, so you could clearly identify which project, and you could set your favorites. For example, oh, I want every time it's a C#, I want this color. Like, you have a bunch of rules. It's very cool. So extension, and there it is here. Very nice extension if you don't know about it. Very, very, very cool. And you can even customize the connect when you work remote. It's pretty amazing.
Oh, you know what? I will drop the name of that thing there. So anybody is using Peacock? Let me know in the chat. You're so quiet today. I'm not used to that. Usually it's super chatty. Whoops. Okay, what if I save? What's the difference? Nothing? Whatever. Okay, so that's the root. So to be able to do the GitHub action, we'll need to create a new folder. So we'll do that. We need to call it GitHub. And inside of that folder, you need to create another subfolder named workflows, plural. I don't know how to spell. Workflows, yes. And this is where we will put our templates. So right now we just need to find the good template. So back to searching for the template. So close this. Espinette core. Setup, build, .NET test to run the test. That's it. Oh, I'm disappointed though. I thought it would be cool because I would like to have a nice UI in what was the project again? Oh, okay, let me show you. So if one of you know, that would be cool. dev.azure.com. I think it's this one. I'm not sure which one it was. Oh, was it in my private one? Reading notes? Apparently, nope. Where it was? My Clipper parser. In this, I have some pipelines and that didn't run for a long time. Where is it? No, it's not there. I thought it was there. And we have a nice chart. Oh, so it's not keeping everything. Well, it was
a chart, and you could see how many tests and everything was there, and it was super interesting. So I would like to have the same kind of output over there. Hey, thanks for the following, Lovestrup Studios. Looking forward to see you in the chat. So I could do that, like, you know, I have a job and you know, have multiple steps. So, you know, check out, build, blah blah blah. That would be easy. We can start by that. You know what? .NET Core. What's in there? Okay, well, let's work with that one. So let's do a dev.NET Core YAML file. So let's add a file. Let's call it dev dot definitely want 3.1. I'm not sure.
I need new digs because I get so tired of all the same old stuff. It's never enough, so let's turn it up and fall in love. I get so tired of all the same old stuff.
.NET Core SDK.
Switch it up and try it on differently.
101. Cool. So build with .NET. That's cool. So now we do another one. And it will be
Let's break out of consistency. Open up all of the possibilities. The timing is right, it's just you and I. You wait and see. There's just so many possibilities. I put all my money on you and me. Switch it up and try it on differently.
I would like to have Return to dust. I would really go for Saint-Viateur Big Girl right now. Indeed, same for me. So if you go, bring me one. So Saint-Viateur are the best bagel in the world, and it's in Montreal. It's very far from where I am though, but yeah. So I just add blah blah blah. Okay. Ah, you saw I was from Montreal in my profile, yeah. I say Montreal just to keep it simple, but I'm around Montreal. I'm at Il Perrot. Okay, that's cool. I would like to have a little bit more. Okay, so it's on push. So it's on push, and then, so why? So I don't need this then. This, and now it'll be tab. I know I said dev, and I'm doing both. Oh. Let's keep it that way for now. Branches, master, blah blah blah, on Sling. Yeah, I think we're good for that. You know what, let's just test it. I think we're good. Should I, to test it, maybe I should add yeah, maybe I should add the branch here where we are. CI test, so we could test it without pushing always to dev. What do you think? And we'll remove that after. Yeah. Yep.
Why don't you see the... Let's go in dev. Now CI. Oh, did I did a mistake? And of course I did. Wrong level. Let's do it again. So I was here. So all that need to be moved at the top level. Move. Yeah. Whoops, I didn't move GitHub. Damn it. No, not delete. Discard change. Okay. So I want to move this at the top level. How can I do this? Huh? Yes. Already exists. Replace. Why don't you move that? Well then, we'll do this like that. Workflow. And then move there. Yes. Ah, that's better. So now let's go in source. Remove that one. Excelente. So anybody went to Microsoft Ignite the tour? Where are you from? Does one of the Microsoft Ignite tour stops is close to your home? Are you planning to go to one of those? I'm doing a bunch of them, so maybe we can meet. And I could give you some stickers if you are interested. Or just chit chat, have a drink. I'm always looking to have some feedback. So now we are at the root level, so now we can do it, right? Let's see again. Yep, that's better. Okay. And push. Oh yeah, I cannot do that. Should change my authentication. Let's do it from here. I need to change my settings. Push. Do you know Ignite the Tour? There's 30 cities. The next one, I think it's Washington, D.C. Coming soon, next week, February 6 to 7. There's also like a Chicago coming. I know there's Sydney is also coming very soon, 13, 14. Taipei, Singapore, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Mumbai, Bengaluru. Hey! Sekil, thanks for following. Looking forward to see you in the chat. So let me know if you're close to one of those cities. Would be cool. We could meet. That could be interesting. I will be in a few of them. I'm planning to go to Prague, Copenhagen, Zurich. I'm going also to Mumbai, Bangalore, Stockholm. Yeah, that would be nice. I'm doing some meetups also over there. I think the next meetup is in Prague. Let me know. It will be super cool. Okay, so let's refresh. And I'm in
Cool, so now we have the workflow and everything. So if I go in GitHub Action, it fails. Why? Link 4, name.NET Core. Didn't like the name .NET Core. On line 4, doesn't like this, the branches. Okay, let's try again. Indentation, is it in English? Push. Let's see again. Really? Yeah, even second ago. Yeah, looked like. Okay, so that was good, the name. It was not an error. It's really invalid workflow file. Invalid. You have an error YAML syntax link 4. One, two. So it doesn't like, but I am following your documentation, sir. Okay, so let's duck this here. Let's put this here. Can you see everything? Yes. It's a little bit small, maybe. That would better, and here I could do something like this. That's better, right? So I think eventually it could be cool pull request also to do it. An example using multiple events with activity type or configuration. If you need to specify activity type or configuration for an event, you must configure each event separately. It must happen similar to all events, including to all events, including events without configuration. Ah, I know. It's like this. And branches go like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. And like that. In fact, on pull request for master, yeah, okay, now it makes sense. You know what, let's stay in Git Kraken for those things. Okay. So while I just push, I will just run a very short 30 seconds ad and we'll get back after this little break. See you soon. I'm not sure if everyone is... Why did you press 1 minute being here and I blue screen? What? What did you press 1 minute being here and I'm... Hello, Copper Birdie! I did nothing, I promise, I promise, I promise. How are you, my friend? I hope you're doing well. I saw you were streaming the other day, but... yeah, I was in a better time zone to look your stream, but the Wi-Fi was not good enough. I did not do anything, so I'm sure now if you got a blue screen, you cannot see that anymore. Wally Kisi, how are you? So you had no ads, that's what you mean? You stayed with me? I don't know how the ads are working. Most of the time when I push that, and I do that just so when people join they don't have any ads. But look like not a lot of people are having ads anyway. I did push, right? Apparently not. Oh yeah. Frank! You cannot push from there.
You need to push from here. Oh, that's wise, Mr. Wally. You pay Twitch a monthly fee so you don't see any of them. So that's, is it the pro thing? So it's for all subscription? I thought it was by follower or streamers. So now I'm doing lip sync for you, Mr. Copperbirdie. Okay, so GitHub Action filled again. Build. Oh, cool. We made some progress here. Yeah, tell me more. Oh yeah, I didn't specify the project. Yeah, that was me. Yeah, so Wally Kisi says, yeah, I think it was what it's called. No, you can pay $9 US to never see ads, even on stream you're not subscribed to. This is cool. I need to check. I like those ads, like you jump on a, like, you know, on someone's stream maybe just to raid and just like poof, you're stuck with an ad. So, you know, not having those ads would be wonderful. Okay, so the problem here, the reason we fail here, it's not compiling. It's because, as I was explaining earlier, I did change the structure of the project, so now I need to specify where is the project to build or the solution. And now I wonder, .NET build solution. Okay, so I just need to specify this. Interactive, no dependency, incremental, no logo, output, runtime. Okay, so I just need to specify the project. So for us, oh, it's confusing. Let me check in another project how I did it. So, is it in Use Your Vote we had the GitHub workflow? I just specified this. So here in this folder they will find that. So no, .NET build this, and even there I will need to do this, and then it's project dover.tests. Yep. Let's see other settings. Yeah, so here it's mandatory to be the project. What's A? Adapter, path, blame, configuration. Oh. Enable data collector. Enable diagnostic mode to test platform. Write diagnostic message to specify the file. We could definitely try. So if we want a chart, maybe we'll need to add some diagram or stuff like that. Okay, we'll keep those. This is really nice. Well done documentation. Okay, so now we have the path. So let's save this. Let's push. Add path to .NET steps. And we commit and we push. Oh, sorry, I missed some message in the chat. So yeah, I love. So Wally KC was saying, "Yep, I love just browsing around all the non-gaming streams." Yep, so do I. If I had to wait for an ad to run before seeing every stream, I'd go nuts. And I agree. That's why a lot of times it's like, yeah, sad, but you know. And it's getting better now. Like if you open it in different tabs, it's not showing the ads. You need to stay there a little while. PF Roots say, what is the name of this module for your GitHub modules? Modules? What do you mean? Not sure I follow. In Visual Studio Code or in GitHub? Let me know, PFF. So let's go back in here. It passed. That's it. I don't see anything. So it compile both things. Cool. See, we see here the. Can you see it? Yeah. Is it too small in the chat? Let me know.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Oh, don't be like that. Like, see, it passed. Come on. Yeah. So it did create a project over DLL and project over test DLL. No error, no warning. It took 21 seconds. The unit test, starting test. So a total of 1 unit test file matched the specific pattern. Did you mean quit? You mean quit? What's that? Oh, because I run the stuff, so I see the output. Interesting. Okay, cool. And we have now the test successful, all pass, everything. Yay! This is awesome. But I can read it. Okay, cool. Maybe I should add older people, you know, Copper Birdie. If it's too small. That's cool. Okay. And post. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. I would like to have some something pretty for the unit tests. I'm not sure if we have. I forgot that you have those emoticon with the emoji with the eyes. Awesome.
Fantastic!
I love it, mister. Awesome. Of course, you're just a little bit older, just like me. I think we're in the same boat. Probably around the same numbers. Oh my god. Okay. So filter, expression, property. So that diagnostic. With code coverage and stuff. Wow, I may be then older than you. If you're not lying, then I'm older than you, Copper Birdie. Damn it. Okay, .NET test chart. Yep. I was saying, feel bad, man. I'm older. Or perv. But yeah, you have more hair than me. Yeah, still I have some hair. I didn't know about the teeth though. Like, you opened that door, dude. Oh yeah? Wow. An accident or something like that? Oh, maybe you don't want to share it also in the chat. That's fine. I'm sorry. You know what? Let's go check how we did it. Let's go in here. Let's go repository. Let's go see the parser thing I did. My clipping parser. That was example, but it is very similar. So publish test result. Oh, no more music. We want music. So my streams are still muted from a lot of time. If I go here, they are still muted because of one song. I pay the fees, so I should be able to use it, but so I'm and I did forget again to record directly, but trying to find the song that get the thing. Docker run. So sorry. VSTS. Okay, let's try that. GitHub Action. Yeah, that's what I want, the DevOps display. Okay, cool. Yep. And then it will be like from nowhere, the guy is doing a puzzle and hey, can you tell me the story about? Well, you know, you asked for it. So test. Oh, that's a node. Check out. Yeah, I can run the test. I want to see them. What if I run so here I'm at the root, so I don't want to root. Here I'm in the project. Let's open, not this, I want to open the terminal, right? And now I should be able to, I will do super lazy.
Oops. Oh, I have a folder test result. Show me, test result. Hey, thank you for the following, Toefrog. Welcome to the stream. Looking forward to see you in the chat. Don't hesitate if you have questions. We're just trying to see there. So we just added a new GitHub Action to be able to build and run our tests. And now I'm trying to have a nice chart. So try to visualize the result of our test. And we had that in the GitHub Action, but I want to see if it's possible to have it, and I don't remember anything. So here I'm running Docker run. Maybe I should check like the Docker file, maybe. So yeah, so I had the logger TRX. Okay, what if I redo the last command here? Let's do a clear. Whoops, where I am. Control Z. Where I was. You know what? Let's open a terminal. So I want to execute. This, right? And add this. It's all from the 24th. So that's probably when I run it from Visual Studio. Where are our... Okay, so test. So I have the logger here.
Logger URI, friendly name. Print the output. Specify a logger for test result. That's it. No more explanation. Oh. So here, test. There it is. Okay, cool. So now we have it. Why wasn't it there before? Oh, because it was at that level. Okay. We can definitely add it. Right? Blah blah blah. This to add the login, and then now we don't enter. Here I add a task, publish test result. Ah, but I was running Visual Studio. No. Ah, I'm confused. Should I just try? Put that. Oh, we can try. You know what? We are learning. Let's experiment. That would be cool if it's working. Yeah. Every step must be defined a use or a run key. Oh, because I said tasks. Okay, so it's a use. Hey, Potato Quality, cheers, thank you, whoa. Wow. Super big thank you. Wonderful. Welcome to the stream. Ah, I was talking about you. Oh, I forgot. What was the context again? I think I was talking about you for PowerShell. Of course it was about PowerShell. I was in Italy this week, and I was talking to an MVP, and
Oh, I forgot. And then I mentioned your name and your stream and everything. But I forgot. Spaghetti DBA. No, it was good. I'm telling you, it was a good. I was talking to you on the like, hey, you must follow Potato Quality. But I completely forgot who I was talking to. I'm sure we'll come back. We're just trying. I did create a new GitHub Action for a project, and I'm running the unit test. And I'm trying. So in Azure DevOps, you have that publish result, and I'm just trying to see if it's works. So that's how we do it in. In here. So that's my Azure DevOps pipeline. So, and here I'm in a Docker container, so there's a level of complexity a little bit more, but I was running that .NET test, adding the logger, and then we publish the here we publish the output. So it was a nice pie chart or like some graph. I'm trying to see if that could work also inside Docker Action, GitHub Action. I'm not sure. So job ID, job ID, strategy, steps. So here it's a if au lieu de condition. Instead of, sorry, that was French. Instead of condition. Not sure. GitHub Action. Yep. That's VSTS. Publish result. That's VSTS. Oh, I wish I could show the logs. I'll show you what I want. We'll try to see if we can add that. Maybe we can work on that on the next stream. That could be cool. But at least we have the test that runs. I'm sure condition doesn't exist though. Like I'm trying to see condition in the documentation. I don't see. Oh, there's 9. Yeah, if. Yeah, so in here, matrix, it looked like it's an expression. doesn't look like it. Oh, you know what? We'll take note of that, and I will ask. I want to do this thing. Let's take a note. I will try to reach out to GitHub Action or some people and ask if where it was here. Yep. GitHub Action. I'm just taking notes on the side on my OneNotes. We'll see. Okay, so it's noted. And oh yeah, let's try job. So see if I go here. Oh, no, I was nuts. Where is publish test result? Test. Oh, where it is. Oh, test. See this? I would like to be able to have that. So let's take a picture of this. Let's save. There it is. So now in Git Kraken, if I go in my glow, so let's, should I create an issue or should I create a to-do? I think I will create a to-do. So I can add a file. And I want to add the code. So let's add some description. In Azure DevOps, we can publish the test result, the unit test, the unit test. Why I'm putting a capital T? Test results in a chart. Using the task. Now we'll put some code, so ding ding ding, something like that, and the output look like
this. Is it possible with Git Action? Update description. Let's add some. Let's help. Yep. Enhancement. Yep. Documentation. Yep. So what I like about this Kanban board here is there's now images, so I could see right away here I have that image. It's pretty cool. Should we push our luck, try to see if that works? Pretty sure it won't. Okay. How? Okay. GitHub Action. .NET Logger TRX. Was TRX or was T? TRX. Ah, see? Mr. Joel is having fun with that. Does not respect the log file. It's not working. So GitHub Action for .NET CLI. Usage. Workflow. Action. Restore. Oh, I like that. Action. Yeah, but it doesn't do anything with that. Okay, well, let's just try, and then we'll remove it. You know, we're learning here, so let's have some fun. Okay, so did I save? Now let's save. Cool. And it fails. Kind of expected though. Line 30.
unexpected value condition. Yeah, okay. Oh, but this passed? No. Yeah. Let's remove this. So now we have one at every push. That's our action. Let's see if we can quickly... so I will push the cleanup first. One monotask, please. Clean up. Clean up, just clean up. Boom. Boom. So now that should pass. So now we want a GitHub Action kind of nightly. Or should I say schedule? Schedule. So you can configure your workflow to run a webhook, blah blah blah, some events, check run event, requested action. Fork, Gollum, issue, label, milestone, project, schedule. Okay. And we could add a condition with the conditional we saw earlier. I'm just not sure, like, what would be the... Okay, so it's non-standard. They say it. So GitHub Action does not support non-standard. Okay. So if I want daily, it'll be 0, 0, and star, star, stars. Oh, every night. 0, 0, star, star, stars.
So if we do this here, we could... Can I copy and paste? Yep. So I need to say on schedule and then micron. And will be 0, 0, star, star, star. Yeah, like it's on music bed. And if you're interested by music bed potato quality, let me know. It's a pay thing though, like you need to pay, but I like the music. It's smooth and it's nice. But I have a referral links. I think it will be good for both of us if you're interested. So if you want to try it, don't click here. We'll give you my referrals. So just ping me after. And if I go here, can I share my playlist? My projects? If I share this, let me know if you can watch. I know they are also in Spotify. Well, I pay so I could use them on YouTube and on Twitch. So search for music bed then. Oh, can I? I don't know, like I would need to. I should build then. I don't know how to export that. I will check if I can export that list from Spotify. But I removed one song. Because it was getting my stream muted. Well, yeah. Okay, so now we have that thing up and running. Let's just try to... So I will push it. I will... Okay. I will push it. I will keep this branch. Temporary, like I said. We'll see if it runs and oh, it was 0, 0 though. 0, 0. So Push that. Push. And after that, we should see Mr. C# Fridge. So stay with me, please, please, please. I will just open a new thing here. New page. I will start the credit. Oh, I should do, you know what? Do it full in. Hey, come on. Little music. Excellent. Okay. Let's put the credits. Are you not playing, Mr. Credits? Yes, they are. Cool. Now, let's go raid Mr. C# Fritz. Raid channel, Mr. Fritz. Let's go. Hey! Yes, you did miss the stream. I miss. So thanks for the following 17ed EDCFG. Thank you, and again all the others following today. Thanks Toe Frog, and what was the other one? Toe Frog, Sekiel, Lovestrup Studio, Developer Garage. Thank you for the hosting. Karate, Smith for the following. Codephobia for the raid, and Potato Quality for your cheer. 100 bits. It's the biggest amount and I ever had, so super happy. Team for Visual Studio Code. It is Night Wolf Dark Blue. Night Wolf Dark Blue. There's many Dark Wolf, but I like the blue. I like blue. That's the thing. I like blue. So see you. I will try super hard to stream Wednesday. I will be at Seattle, so different time zone again. So I'm not sure it will be possible, but looking forward to see you there. Bye bye.